This laundry service is really easy to use. They have all what you need. They have 6 washers, 6 dryers, and detergents to buy, and everything. This is the token vending machine. One token for €4. You put a $5 bill, you get one token and $1 back. This is worth for one wash, not drying. And then, like, you can use the detergent also. You can use the vending machines to buy it from here, which are reasonably priced, and you can use it directly. You can load your detergent in the washing machine and put your coin there. You can set the water temperature, hot, cold, or warm, and then you just put your cloths. It looks small, but it holds 5 days cloths, and just close it. Put a pressure using your knees, and then close it, and then put the green button. That's it. No need to wait there for 30 minutes. It's a safe place. Don't have to worry about your clothes getting stolen or something like that. Come to the nearby, the famous bronze fountain board, 10 minutes walk, and try your luck and go back. Come back, you need another token, same way, and put it in this slot here and select your temperature. We selected high temperature and put your cloths, and it's ready for drying. Press the start button. Again, 30 minutes, you don't have to wait there. Come to this wonderful area, outdoor statues, enjoy your stroll for 10-15 minutes, and go back and collect your clothes. If you're tired, come to this piazza, which is 2 minutes walk, and relax there for 25 minutes watching people, and go back and collect your clothes. Once you come back, your dryer is ready. Collect your clothes and head. Overall, this is just an hour to wash and dry, and it's the safest place and easy to use, and you don't have to worry about anything.